That's something now, did you? Here we go. Bam! Been doing it from young. You know, if it rip off head on take down. Been doing it from young. It's gonna be a couple bites. It's gonna be a couple bites. Those are all the good spots are. Try to get all the good pieces. Nature, baby. Survival of the fittest. Kill or be killed. Predators and prey. The cycle of life. Just a reminder how savage the world is. There's no rules out here, baby. Survival of the fittest. Keeping his head up while he eats, making sure no predators come to take his or take him or her. And enjoying. Looks like that's his little food thing where he catches food and comes up on a little perch and enjoys. Ooh, guts coming out. Dash out the guts, dash out this one. I like that. Maybe drop something he wanted. I look like that when I drop food I want. Whew. Yep, drop no more pieces. Good job, and rest in peace to the fellow there. Sacrificed his life. Maybe he got some kids. Maybe he got a wife. Maybe that was the wife. Kids. Not to suffer, but it's life. My goodness, it's life. Here it goes. Whew. A little water to ice, a little snow to wash it down. And just like that. The day goes on, the world turns. The cycle of life continues. I see you. Clean off and beak. Look out for lunch. Seafood Snake, Master Allen here. Letting you know it's not just kung fu and relationships, it's real life, real moments that I capture. Hope you enjoyed as much as I did. Peace and love. Unity, freedom, and food for all. Truth.